How to use email on an LG phone. LG phones use Google's Gmail as the default mail application, as Android users generally have a Gmail address they use on their devices. When you set your phone up after purchasing it, you will be asked to enter a Google account, which will automatically set up the Gmail app for you. When you open the Gmail app, you will see a Compose button at the bottom right, so you can create and send emails. Any emails in your inbox will be on the main page for viewing. At the top of the main Gmail page is a search bar you can use to search your entire Gmail account to find a particular email. To access your additional folders, including Sent, Outbox, Trash, Spam, and others, simply tap on the three-line button at the top left of the search bar. From this menu, you can also access your Google Calendar and contacts, as well as settings for the Gmail app. Within the settings are General Settings, which allows you to pick the theme, Notification Settings, Swipe Actions if you want to enable Conversation View, settings specific to the Gmail account you have on the phone, and the option to add other accounts. When you choose Add Account, you can choose to add another Google account, Outlook, Hotmail, and Live, Yahoo, Exchange, and Office 365, or others. This enables you to check your email in the Gmail app no matter what your email address is. Thank you for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your phone. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.